MotorWeek is made possible by Rock Auto, Tire Rack, and 3M.
The Nissan Versa has proven to be a popular subcompact with budget-minded folks looking for roomy, economical, and highly reliable, if still quite basic transportation. And that's especially true of the most versatile hatchback body style. Well, now that 5-door Versa is not only all new, but it seeks to stand out from the Versa sedan by adding note to its nameplate. So let's see if this note strikes the right chord. The 2014 Nissan Versa Note may be a new tune for Nissan, but it's still a Versa. So it remains in the same entry-level genre as before, as it stays based on Nissan's global V platform, just like the Versa sedan. Exterior length is actually less than the sedan, however, at 163 inches due to its shorter overhangs, but wheelbase is the same at a long 102.4 inches. That translates into class-leading rear legroom, so you can take the band along when you hit the road. The Note does have a smoother body than the outgoing Versa hatchback, though we still wouldn't call it handsome. But this is a purposeful design that prioritizes space over beauty. Though somewhat muted in our Alpine White edition, the softer styling allows the Note to accomplish two good things: be more aerodynamically efficient and bring a unique look to subcompacts. Nissan's first application of active grille shutters and aero flares on the taillights also serve the cause. The engine is the same as the Versa sedan, a 1.6-liter i4 that generates a meager 109 horsepower and 107 pound-feet of torque. But it feels slightly peppier than the numbers indicate, mostly due to a retuned CVT transmission. There is a new subplanetary gear which allows for a broader range of effective ratios. But like most CVTs, the engine gets pretty noisy. In fact, the Note is overall a little noisy for our taste. A 5-speed manual is also available, but only on the base S model. And it's hard to argue with the CVT combo that gets great government fuel economy ratings of 31 city, 40 highway, and 35 combined. We managed a slightly disappointing 33.6 miles per gallon of regular in our mileage test. The energy impact score is very good, just 9.4 barrels of oil consumed and 4.2 tons of CO2 exhaled. Ride quality was surprisingly good, and most of our testers found the seats plenty comfortable. One thing all could agree on: this Note needs to be tuned with a bit more power. While not a pure handler like the Volkswagen Golf or the Chevrolet Sonic, the Note is impressively nimble. The electric power-assisted steering feels excellent, and the tires provided good grip, helping us easily scoot through the cones and traffic with confidence. There's not much going on off the line, however, with a slow lumber to 60 of 10.1 seconds, and the lengthy trek to the end of the quarter mile took us 17.6 seconds at 83 miles per hour. Slam on the brakes at 60 miles per hour, however, and you'll find the pendulum swings back positive with minimum fade, good feel, and an average stopping distance of only 125 feet. Not bad for a car still sporting drums in the rear. Now on to the interior, where in addition to a lot of room, you'll find a very logical control layout. Most materials are of decent quality, the easily scratched hard plastic door panels in the rear the only glaring offenders. As mentioned, rear seat room is more than generous, and there's space for 18.8 cubic feet of cargo behind. With the seats folded, space expands to 38.3 cubic feet. Gauges are fairly plain, but with SV trim, there's a lot of content including Bluetooth and remote keyless entry. Adding the SL Tech package is where things really get interesting, as you get Nissan Connect with Google Apps and Nissan's Around View backup monitor. Even though the screen size is small, it's clear enough to provide useful detail. Pricing is certainly a standout in the segment, starting at just $14,780. Even the top trim SV starts at just $16,780. The 2014 Nissan Versa Note may not be the most fun car in the segment, but it is one that's very versatile, practical, and fuel efficient. You know, stuff that's really important to most subcompact car buyers. So this cheap, but not cheap feeling tune may not be very exciting, but we think it's one that a lot of frugal folks will rock out to in their new Versa Note.